Hello everybody and welcome. Today is the day, 1 year of YouTube, and this year I got a lot of fun, and I built up a nice community, which wouldn't be possible without you, so I'm gonna thank you a lot for subscribing and watching my videos. Anyway, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do a little shifting without clutch demonstration, and the theory behind it is you should match the RPM as right as possible to each gear, and then it won't grind. So that's only possible at an unsynchronized transmission, like I got one here in my Ford. And you know, as I told you before, you need to match the RPM. So over here you can see the speeds at the different gears at the RPMs. So for example, if I'm driving in 7th gear with 2200 RPM, I'm about at 17.5 kilometers an hour. Now if I want to shift from 7th to 8th, I need to adjust the RPM to the correct speed in the next gear. So for example, you're 2200 RPM, and then you need to go at around 1700 maybe, or 600 to match the speed in the next gear. And so that's the theory behind. Also for gearing back, okay, you need to fall down or let fall down the speed, like on 1000 RPM, so 10.8 kilometers an hour. And then you need to increase the RPM so it will match the correct speed in your lower gear. So that's a lot of theory I explained to you very shortly, but I hope you understand, and here we go.